It is time again for our monthly essential oil recipe box unboxing. This time we are doing the month of July. If you're new to my videos, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. The monthly essential oil recipe box is a subscription box from Simply Earth, and you can cancel anytime. It is $39 a month, and inside you will find 4 full-size oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some other goodies that you'll need to make those recipes. If you go to simplyearth.com and enter in the code THECRAFTYFREE with no spaces, then you will get a free $40 gift card with your first subscription box order. So that means you can either buy one, get one free, or you can use that $40 gift card in their shop purchasing other supplies. And that is such a great deal. I'm so excited to offer that to you. Along with the monthly essential oil recipe box, you also get the big bonus box. And this is absolutely free. It's part of the subscription. And you will get this big bonus box every 6 months. So you will get it with your first box and then 6 months after. The big bonus box comes with even more items that you're going to need for those recipes. So we're going to open it up. Now, on the months that you receive the big bonus box, your monthly essential oil box will come inside like this. So it'll all come in one box. And then those other 5 months, you will just get this box right here. But let's see what's inside. We have beeswax, and it's 100% pure. Everything from Simply Earth, when possible, is 100% pure. We've got coconut oil, and this is the cold pressed or the hard coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil, and this is going to be the liquid, and this is a carrier oil. And then we have another carrier oil, almond oil. And then we have 6 amber roll-on bottles. These are glass. And 6 amber dropper bottles, because in every box you'll get a roll-on recipe and a diffuser recipe. And one more thing I want to point out with Simply Earth is 13% of their profits go to end human trafficking. And that's not only just with their subscription box, that is their store-wide. So 13% of their profits go to end human trafficking, and that is such a great cause that I love that they stand behind. All right, are we ready? I'm gonna open up that sticker, and we are going to see what is inside the July box. I love opening the boxes. I love it. Okay, we're gonna start with the oils. We have cinnamon, and of course I have to smell them all. Cinnamon. I love cinnamon. Such a great smell. Energy. That is definitely energizing. It has like a spearmint scent to it. I like that. Lemongrass. Yep, smells like lemongrass. And last is sage. It almost has like a eucalyptus smell to it, but also smells like being outside and camping. And I love being outdoors. Okay, now let's look at our extra goodies that come. Oh, we've got a little pouch with something in it. Let's see what's in our pouch. Ooh, it's a black stone. I wonder if we're gonna have like a massage oil. We've got an inhaler and some floating wicks. Let's take a look at our recipes. We have summer morning roll-on, Fresh Vibes Aromatherapy Inhaler, Harmony diffuser blend, At Home hot stone massage oil, I was right, Reset bath melts, and Peace floating candle. Awesome. All of these recipes sound very spa-like. And then, of course, we have our matching stickers. I love that they have matching stickers so everything coordinates. If you'll notice the morning roll-on, that label matches their bottle labels, and I love that everything matches. And then we've got these little top of the bottle stickers right here, so you don't have to pull the bottle out to see what it is. It will just say right there on the lid. And then we've got our little paper, and this month's theme is energy, and then this explains everything about the kit. I am so excited to get into these recipes and start making. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure to visit thecraftyblogstalker.com. There I have a ton of free tutorials to share with you. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.